Good evening, everybody. Just a quick update on the Watts family drama. Someone was asking if I felt that the story that the husband is now telling, that the wife strangled the babies, is untrue. So we'll just do a quick reading here. I'm not sure if we'll get any other information from the reading and, see what happens, okay? And already, oh well, I don't want to say. Let's just go ahead and do the reading and see what happens, okay? So, did Shanann strangle the babies? No. Big no. Big no. Right away, immediately. No hesitation with that no. Did the husband strangle the babies? A big yes, it did. Let's see, so quite obviously the story is untrue that the husband is telling. And there's a yes there. Let's see if we get anything else surrounding this picture. Drama, lots of drama. Smoldering drama is the feeling, wrapped up in a lot of nasty stuff, quite obviously, is the feeling of this. Okay, Shanann was very turbulent inside. Lots of issues, a lot of issues. You can see the pendulum going like that. I'm not sure what the husband's name is. I haven't followed every detail of this story. It's interesting. It's revolving around him like that. Dark heart. Okay, dark heart here. This man has a dark heart. He's a murderer, basically. He's a killer without any ethics or morals. See if he has a conscience. Not really. So he can lie and just feel fine about it. Okay, yeah, he can. Okay, does he think he's going to get away with this? No, he thinks it's going to catch up to him. He thinks it will catch up to him, but he will stick to this story for a while and blame Shanann. Yeah, he's going to stick with it. And it's feeling heavy. Okay, so their time together was twisted in some ways. It was not like a regular couple should be, okay, but that's true of a lot of people when they close the door. But in this case, it just, not a good feeling around the whole thing, really. Okay, so Shanann, the more woman that was trying to do her best in her own way, yet she was very unhealthy in body and unhealthy in some of her mental, her mental state was unhealthy, imbalanced. Okay, did she have thoughts of killing her children? No, she did not. Okay. Did she worry her husband might do something that wasn't right? Okay, she did. Did he show some signs of that sometimes? Okay, it's smaller. I mean, it doesn't feel like she had the feeling that would happen, to that degree with these deaths. Okay. So anyway, that's pretty. Let's see if there's anything more to bring out in this right now. No. So let's just see how the story unfolds. But there's a very strong feeling that the husband is the one that killed all of them. Okay. Yes. All right. So let's see what happens with this. Wishing the best, too, for all of this, that it comes to a conclusion and it all comes to the surface, and the husband or the perpetrator, gets the consequences, and that's all we can say right now. Okay, have a great night. Bye.